Today I'm sharing one of my favorite soup recipe with you, and it's palm nut soup. If you haven't yet subscribed, kindly subscribe so you don't miss out on my new delicious recipe. Guys, you can see that this looks so yummy, but let me show you the ingredients for today's recipe. We're going to need some eggplants, 2 green peppers, okra, 2 scotch bonnet, teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning from Innocent and World, half of jumbo cube, smoked mackerel, smoked turkey, and this is the palm nut paste I'm going to use from this brand that I really like. Let's start cooking. Here I have ginger, garlic and onion, some plum tomatoes, and also 1 scotch bonnet that I'm going to blend now. Let's open this, just transfer it here. So you can see this is the small can, so I'm going to use all the paste from it. Now I'm going to add hot water. Make sure I mix this very well so any unwanted bits in the paste will not go in the soup. Transfer it here and repeat this 4 to 5 times. You see at the bottom, so that is the reason why you need to do this 4 to 5 times to make sure this doesn't go in your soup. I'm happy with it. I'm going to transfer it in the pot. Just going to let it cook 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I'll add the blended ingredients. After cooking this for 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to add now the blended ingredients. Cover it up and leave it here for 15 to 20 minutes, and after that I'll add the meat and fish. You can see the oil start settling up on top, which indicates that this soup is almost ready. So I'm going to add the meat and the fish afterwards. All-purpose seasoning, it's so creamy. Let me taste the sauce in case I need a little bit of salt. I can add it as well. Yeah, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And when it's thick like this, you can have it with rice or banku. Now let's add the okra. Blending now with the fish. This is the mess. Eggplants, and I'm just going to leave it here for another 6 minutes and our soup will be ready. If this soup is calling your name, you know exactly what to do. All the ingredients are listed in the description box below. Go and get them and try this recipe. I'm definitely sure you're going to thank me for it later. But please don't forget to let me know what you're going to pair your soup with. Look at this. Our soup is so ready now. You can keep the soup this thick if you want to pair it with rice, for example. I'm going to pair this soup with rice, so that's why I'm leaving it this thick. You can also pair it with banku if it's this thick, but if you want to pair it with fufu, you need to add a little bit of water. Okay, I will be enjoying my rice. You can definitely pair this soup with pounded yam, banku, rice, but the choice is entirely yours. If you love today's recipe, don't forget to like this video, share it with family and friends, and if you are new here and you don't want to miss out on my delicious recipes, make sure you subscribe and activate your notification bell so you can be notified each time I upload a new video. And I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye for now. Au revoir.